Hey learners, Wexie here, and today we're going to be talking about gas.
This specific gas, in fact, helium, and it's got the internet worried. Helium is the second most abundant element in the universe, second only to hydrogen, helium's lighter and more flammable cousin. It comes from underground pockets of gas inside the Earth, where it is trapped until we extract it at the same time as extracting natural gas for heating and energy. When we pop a balloon, helium mixes with air, and because it's so light, it rises to the top of the atmosphere and gets swept right away into the universe by solar wind, never to be seen again. However, only 7% of the world's helium is used for balloons. Helium is the only element that it is impossible to freeze. It's still in its liquid form at minus 269 degrees Celsius, so its biggest use is in cryogenics. It's the best choice for supercooling magnets, which is the tech behind MRI machines for detecting health problems, and it's also used in modern quantum computers. The quantum effects are only attainable if the computers are kept at extremely low temperatures, so liquid helium is used to cool them and keep them working. Helium is also used as a shield when welding to prevent fires from breaking out, and is added to the mixture of gases used by deep-sea divers. So why are we wasting it on balloons? Good news, helium is constantly, slowly, naturally occurring underground. Most of the helium trapped in these underground pockets I mentioned actually starts off as the radioactive decay of a heavier element, such as uranium. When it decays, it splits from one heavy atom into two smaller, lighter atoms. Those atoms usually aren't equal in size, and often one of those resulting smaller products becomes helium, which is just two protons and two neutrons. As helium is an extremely stable atom, it stays in its pure elemental state, instead of binding with other elements to make compounds. This means that over time, helium naturally continues to occur due to exposure to radioactive elements buried underground. And with the upswing in use of natural gas, we are uncovering more than ever before, with new helium extraction facilities around the world. However, helium generation is a fairly slow process, so be mindful and enjoy your birthday balloons in moderation. And remember, rubber cannot escape the atmosphere, so please release the helium instead of letting go of them to protect the Earth from the inevitable litter when the balloon comes back down.
See you next time, learners.